Hi, I'm JJ Gaines, the Product Design Manager here at eLynx Technologies, and today I want to walk you through how to navigate our application. There are a couple of different ways to navigate, but most of it starts over here on the left. This is your main menu. It includes things like your favorites, your group structure, and any admin pages you may have access to. What you see here may look a little different depending on your role and industry. You'll usually start at a group, drill into a device, and then into a tag. Notice as you move, each level collapses and stays right above so you can quickly jump back without losing your place. One of the most useful things here is this eye icon. Most people don't use every single page, so you can hide what you don't need and keep this focused on what you actually use. At the top, you can collapse this menu using the hamburger icon. At any level, you can also pin open a drawer to see everything at that level. For example, at the device level, you can open a list of all devices and quickly switch between them. Then, for pages you use all of the time, you can add them to your favorites for quick access. Now, up top in the navy, this is your horizontal navigation. This shows you exactly where you are in the application and how you got there. In this example, I'm in the device details view for the Freehand 3H, which I opened from the summary listing under the device types group. Each section has a drop down so you can switch context without backing out. Depending on the level, you'll see options to adjust what's shown with either the eye icon or when you have a long list, a filter where you can type in to find what you need. So between the left side navigation and this top bar, you can move through the system pretty quickly without losing your place. Now, once you're on a page, everything you need is consistently located up here in the upper right-hand corner. Page settings will be here, and depending on the page, that may include configurations, options, both, and sometimes neither. Right next to that are your page actions. This is where you'll take action, whether that's performing a demand scan, a write down, adding a memo, or creating a run ticket. All actions are found in one central location. If an action is not available on a device due to either user permissions or the type of device, they will be grayed out. And then in the header, you have your account settings. My profile is where you manage your information, such as your email, password, API, and alarm notifications. Then we have application preferences. This is where you set things like default views, display settings, and how the application looks and feels, such as light and dark modes and font size. And most importantly, this is where you control your menu visibility. So if you want to customize what shows up in your navigation, reorder it, or simplify your view, you can do all of that from here. You'll also find access to our help files and a way to contact support if you need it. And that's it. If you need anything, please reach out. We're always happy to help.